It's always a good time going through Haulover Inlet, especially when you get the whole family involved. Get them on the boat, bring them along, and let them have some fun. But sometimes this can still be a little jarring if you've never experienced it before. Welcome back, guys. It is your host Broncos Guru along with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and it's this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. Our first contestant to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover Inlet flying high, kind of like we're going to see right here where they take this fountain completely out of the water. It's a pretty impressive feat. That is one heavy boat to get up in the air like that. This first round's definitely going to go to the boats. Our second contestant to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us the exact opposite approach, and they're going to show us that new Cobalt Submarine. Here we're going to see this Cobalt bow rider coming back into Haulover Inlet, and they're making a key mistake, and that is they do not have the bow trimmed up. Right here you can tell they're just riding this in too flat, and they're going to show you what it looks like when you go completely underwater instead of flying high. Right here they get this vessel completely underneath that wave, and that whole cockpit's got to be full of water now. These guys will slow down here to kind of assess their situation, but I know exactly what their situation is, and that is a loss for the boats in this round. Our contestant in the third round is going to lose by default, and if you're familiar with this channel, you probably already know what's coming. I will never give a win to anybody who comes through Haulover Inlet, even this slow, even intentionally trying to have a good time, with kids in the bow of the vessel with no life jackets on. This is just not a smart move. And if you haven't watched Wavy Boats' most recent video where somebody coming through in a vessel almost identical to this, and somebody gets thrown overboard by a wave that smacks the boat as they're coming through Haulover. Here I know they're just trying to have a good time, they're getting the kids a little wet, it is a calmer day in Haulover, but things can still go wrong, and this is a busy channel. If somebody falls out in the middle of this channel, it's not impossible by any stretch of the means that they could get hit by another vessel that comes blasting through here at 40 miles an hour. And for all those reasons, this round goes to Haulover. Our next contestant is going to play my favorite game, Can He Hang On? But he's going to do it a little different way. Usually we see somebody sitting down, seeing if they can just last even in a seat going through Haulover. My man's going to try it standing up. Let's see how he fares. I really don't recommend this one either. I won't put it in that category with the kids with no life jackets, because this is a full-grown adult and he knows what he set himself up for. So far he looks pretty good, and we're going to go ahead and give this round to the boats because he was able to hang on. And that's going to take us to our fifth and final round, tied it to a piece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Well, these guys got a little problem because the boss is telling them no. We're going to have to go to that in-boat audio for you to fully understand this one. Hey honey, come on back to the back of the boat. Tommy wants to go through here fast. Look, Wavy's over there on the inlet filming.
No, I told you I'm not going to the back. I told you I wanted to take it easy. You guys just need to relax.
Tommy, she won't come to the back, buddy. I don't know what we're going to do here, man. Come on, honey, you're embarrassing us. Look, we're getting passed by the kids in the bow of the boat, man. Wavy's not going to put us on the channel.
Suck it up, Buttercup. That's your problem, not mine.
Well, Tommy, it looks like Broncos Guru is really going to bash us for coming through the inlet this slow. Well, this is going to give her a fifth and final round of the boats, and that's going to give the boats the win this week. If you guys enjoyed it, please check out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage of Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.